human being who would like to have better dreams, but who has to wake up each and every time again to the harsh reality of the challenges of life. And of course, even Joe, having gone through his medical studies, he must have had those same struggles and sleepless nights and nightmares where you thought, I will not be able to pass this exam. By the way, isn't it true in life, or maybe you have that also, that experience even within your marriage, that in many ways you remain a mystery to each other? You might think you know your husband, you might think you know your wife, but then things happen, or he or she might say things that you think, is this the one I married? So, yes, Joe, prepare yourself. Fasten your seatbelts, put your seat in a right up position, and refrain from smoking.